Are you struggling with TensorFlow serving and not seeing the batching effects you expected? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of TensorFlow serving to troubleshoot batching issues. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you set up a system expecting it to work seamlessly, only to find it underperforming. Many users face similar challenges when enabling batching in TensorFlow serving. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user has set up a web server using TensorFlow Serving and enabled batching, but they notice minimal effect when sending multiple requests. They want to know what might be going wrong. So, what could be causing this lack of batching effect? It could be related to how batching is configured or how requests are being sent to the server. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that can help you optimize your TensorFlow serving setup even further. To begin troubleshooting the batching issue, the user should first verify that the batching configuration is correctly set up in TensorFlow Serving. This includes checking the parameters for batch timeout and maximum batch size. Next, the user should examine the server logs for any warnings or errors related to batching. This can provide insights into whether the batching is functioning as expected. The user should also consider the request patterns. If requests are arriving too quickly, they may not be grouped effectively. Adjusting the batch timeout might help in this case. Finally, the user can test the batching functionality by sending a controlled number of requests and observing the response times. This will help determine if batching is indeed taking effect. Fun fact, did you know that batching can significantly improve performance? It's like waiting for a group of friends before heading out for dinner. Everyone gets served faster. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests investigating potential I/O overhead, which includes network transfers and data serialization. To diagnose this, deploy two models, one complex and one trivial. Then compare their execution times to identify the I/O impact. The user also highlights that increasing batch sizes may not always improve performance. If the model is limited by RAM, GPU RAM, or PCIe bandwidth, larger batches might slow down the process. Testing with mock inputs can help identify these bottlenecks. Lastly, they recommend checking the QDNN scaling, as certain operations like matrix multiplication require larger batch sizes for optimal performance. Additionally, consider using the NCHW layout for better efficiency. Here's a pro tip. Always monitor your server's performance metrics after enabling batching. This will help you fine-tune your settings for optimal results. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to enhance your TensorFlow serving batching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.